Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. And the next one, we need to change tan x squared into this one. And we need to change cotan x squared into this one. And now we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one we change by this one. This one we change by this one. Now we need to simplify 1 minus 1 we cancel. Secant of x squared, secant of x squared, so we have number 2 in here. Similar for the second one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.